What's good, everyone? So, with all the hype that Jujutsu Kaisen has been getting, I decided I'm gonna throw my little DIY Gojo Satoru cosplay. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make it with just simple stuff you have laying around. And yeah, let's get started. It's a really good show. Gojo Satoru is a pretty cool character. So yeah, let's get started with this DIY project. Okay, so basically you're gonna want to find some tech wear type of pants, something like this, or something that looks pretty tactical. It doesn't have to be tech wear, but something that looks somewhat tactical like this. So once you get it, you're just gonna try it out, style it, just to see how it fits. Next up, you want to find some boots, since in the show I believe he wears some type of boots, so we're just gonna go with like some tactical boots. Basically it's mostly tech wear, what they wear, since it's Japan. I'm guessing they like to wear a lot of tech wear. I'm not too sure, like, it's just a DIY, but yeah, it looks pretty good so far. Next off, you're gonna want to find a long jacket. You can find these anywhere, like a trench coat looking thing. I got this off Forever 21, so I'm not too sure where you can find one or what it's called. Just a long bomber jacket, basically. That's all it is. So far, it's looking pretty good so far. And next off, since he has something around his neck, like a crew neck type of thing, I'm just gonna get this gator mask and put it around my neck. And since he has white hair, I only have white hair, it's pretty easy to style. You just find a blindfold and then put it on, and that's basically your DIY Gojo costume. So next, I'm just gonna show you how it looks entirely. But yeah, that's basically the costume. It's not the best looking one, like I said, it's just a simple DIY I threw together just for fun because I was pretty bored. And if you guys just want to do, like, I don't know, videos or TikToks or whatever you want to do, yeah, just follow this video guide and you can basically pull off Gojo. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.